this entrance. I heard this one backstage talking up their own work non-stop. Well, why don't they get in the ring and prove it, huh? That's what they're doing right now, Corey. Well, good. Let's see what they've got then. This superstar is coming in with a lot of enthusiasm and energy right now. But what's going to happen when the excitement wears off and he comes to realize he's in a fight against someone looking to take his head off? All I can say is we've seen adrenaline take this superstar very far in the past. Coming into this fight, his opponent's been boasting a new, more aggressive attitude. We'll have to see if that new approach will produce any dividend.
Ouch. Escapes the hold, now into a hammerlock. Maneuvers out of that to gain some control of their own.
Swift transition into the hammerlock. Devastating elbow strike. With that suplex.
Beautiful senton. He's got the shoulders down. Slips the shoulder up.
I'm surprised he stayed down for that long here. Boom! Clubbing blow. Smartly dipping out of harm's way.
Chess match of counters and reversals happening here.
Oh, man!
Jarring uppercut. Damage is starting to take its toll on him.
But this is not his first rodeo. He knows this is only the beginning.
Oh, that was scary power. And he goes for the pin. Getting the shoulder up before two.
Still fighting the good fight here.
Oh, man.
And he manages to escape just in the nick of time.
He's really mounting pressure at will now.
Every bit of offense he's throwing is hitting harder and harder.
Oh, unloading a big kick to the back.
Oh, what's coming here? Submission move being applied.
Unmitigated. Great escape from the armbar. Now shoulders down.
Here we go.
He just pushed the finish line back a mile.
Oh, he cuts it off.
He's locking in the target. Just a matter of time.
Oh, what a quick answer. Snapping the neck. He is looking to do some serious harm. Shoulders down, this could be it. He's able to kick out before two.
He's not letting anyone get away with a lazy pin.
Down hard.
Oh, taking the boots to them.
And he's being somewhat backed into a corner right now.
But these are the wounds of battle. You have to be naive to expect anything less at this point in a match.
Lands face first. That'll turn your lights out.
some offense.
Ah, what a neck breaker. Into the pin. Can he get him here? Wasting no time getting his shoulder up.
Too much gas left in the tank. More damage needs to be done here. Getting set on the turnbuckle now. Sitting pretty on the top turnbuckle. And things are looking incredibly bleak here.
Grin attempt. Here it is. Kicks out on a pinfall attempt.
Not getting to two at this point has got to say something.
Ooh, great anticipation.
Head down there. Stab pin.
Counters. Cover. A defiant kick out after one.
He may be down, but somehow he's definitely not out at this point.
Boot to the stomach gives them separation.
Oh, yeah. Shot to the gut. Stop. Oh, ouch.
Chopping. This has to be it. Kicks out after one.
That's smart. Taking the one to catch your breath.
Oh. The arm getting pummeled. Oh, yikes. A stomp to the guts. Turn it around with a reversal.
These two having an answer for Henry.
Flush with a running knee strike. Night. That might have done it. This could be it. 2 count. He manages to kick out. What strength.
Man, they had to dig down somewhere deep to get out of that.
I can't tell if it's anger in the eyes at the fact that he hasn't finished this, or if it's disbelief that his opponent is still in this. And
Hold on. Is he thinking of a submission here?
oh, look at this, locked in. And he very quickly counters.
Oh, a declarative, decisive shot. Quick thinking and quick rollout there. Wants to regroup and recover.
From behind. Neck breaker. Oh, no. Now possibly setting up for a submission maneuver. Boston Crab, the legendary boss.
Trying to free himself, trips the ankle, and he's out. And kicks off his opponent.
Wrenches the arm. Drop kick. Beautiful. Here it comes. Legs are locked up. Lucky 13 is in. What a great submission. Wait, look at this. And a great counter to the submission. Reversal. And that turn. What a right hand and then a somersault. Look prettier.
He's closing the book on this one.
Goes for the pin. Forces the shoulder up after 2.
I didn't think we'd see a kick out there.
What a right hand and a somersault. Look prettier.
Using the big guns, that has to do it.
2. He wins. He wins. Here is your winner, Young and a very strong performance here from tonight's winner.
No one was willing to give even a single inch of ground in this battle.
At times it seemed like these competitors were totally deadlocked, but here you see the one who prevailed.